Imagine a place where rich history meets stunning nature, where vibrant festivals light up the streets and peaceful beaches stretch for miles. Welcome to Latvia. Whether you're a culture seeker, adventure lover, or just in need of a peaceful escape, this small but mighty country has it all. Hi, I'm Mark from Travila, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know to make your trip to Latvia unforgettable. Looking for more insider travel tips? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a travel update from us. Best time to visit Latvia. Let's start with the best time to visit. Latvia shines in the summer with warm weather, outdoor festivals, and the perfect time to enjoy the beaches along the Baltic Sea coast. Autumn brings stunning fall foliage and a peaceful atmosphere with fewer crowds, making it ideal for exploring forests and parks in cooler weather. Winter turns Latvia into a snowy wonderland, perfect for winter sports and exploring Christmas markets, especially in Riga. And if you're a nature lover, spring offers the chance to explore Latvia's countryside and cultural sites with fewer visitors. Getting to Latvia. Getting to Latvia is easy thanks to its location in Northern Europe. You can fly into Riga International Airport, which has direct flights from major cities like London, Berlin, and Paris. There are also international train routes from nearby countries like Belarus, as well as bus services from Estonia and Poland. And if you prefer, driving into Latvia is simple, with great road connections to neighboring countries. Getting around Latvia. Getting around Latvia is straightforward due to its compact size. Reliable and affordable buses connect cities and towns, and within cities, you can easily use local buses. Trains are slower, but offer a scenic and comfortable way to travel. If you're planning to explore more rural areas, national parks, or beaches, renting a car is a great option. The roads are well maintained, but be careful driving in the winter due to snow and ice. Typical prices in Latvia. When planning your budget, here's what to expect. Hostel dorm beds start at about 10 to 25 euros per night, with prices on the higher end in busier places like Riga. Mid-range rooms go for around 60 euros per night, often including breakfast, while luxury rooms start at 120 euros. Traditional Latvian meals can be found for 4 to 8 euros, and a 3-course meal in a mid-range restaurant costs around 15 to 25 euros. Save money in Latvia. Visiting Latvia on a budget is definitely doable, thanks to affordable options. For cheap flights, consider booking with Ryanair or Wizz Air, which offer budget-friendly options to Riga from various European cities. If you're taking the bus, companies like Lux Express or EC Lines offer great value for travel between neighboring countries. Once you're in the city, use the buses or trams to get around and consider getting the Riga card for unlimited public transport and discounts on attractions. We'll leave a link in the description below for more info. For affordable local food, visit Riga Central Market for fresh produce and snacks. Best things to do in Latvia. Latvia offers a unique mix of natural beauty, historic landmarks, and rich cultural experiences. Let's start with the capital, Riga. This charming city is known for its old town, where you can wander cobblestone streets lined with medieval buildings, churches, and beautiful squares. Don't miss the cathedral, House of the Blackheads, and St. Peter's Church. Latvia is also home to some stunning castles. Rundale Palace, often called Latvia's Versailles, is a Baroque masterpiece surrounded by manicured gardens. Turita Castle, with its striking red brick design, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. For nature lovers, Latvia's national parks are a must. Gauja National Park, the largest and oldest, is perfect for hiking, canoeing, and exploring its sandstone cliffs and caves. If you're craving sun and sand, head to Latvia's picturesque beaches like those in Jurmala, a popular seaside resort. And for a true taste of Latvian culture, experience the Midsummer Festival, where you can try traditional dishes like grey peas with bacon, smoked fish, and rye bread. In the winter, don't miss the festive Christmas markets and enjoy winter sports, adding an extra layer of magic to your visit. We hope you have an unforgettable time in Latvia, and remember, stay Travila. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about travel tips, city guides, and adventure vlogs. Check out this playlist of my top travel videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.